Here we are understanding this smart BMS 16 cell 60 ampere and the connection it requires. So this BMS we have here is the B minus output, the voltage sensing connector, the power connector, the communication connector, temperature and reset connector. So we will initiate by firstly connecting this B minus portal to this kind of wire with a thimble with the help of screw and washer, and the other part of this wire will go to the total negative of the battery. The next we will be connecting this voltage harness, which comes in two parts. This smaller one with the red wire is of 2 pin, and this bigger one of with having a black wire is of 15 pin. So first of all it places here, and first of all we will connect this 15 pin bigger connector here and push into it, and nextly we'll connect this smaller red wire 2 pin connector adjacent to it like this. The next comes the power wire, which looks like this, having a black wire and a red wire, and this will be plugged here like this. The next one will be the temperature wire, which looks like this. It's having the temperature sensor points here, and this will be plugged on to this side where NTC is written. Here it is to be noted that all the connectors will be connected with the pins upper side like this, not the other way like this. It will be connected like this. So the next one here is the CAN communication wire, which will be connected here where the CAN is written. And the next one will be the output one, which is similar to this with a thimble, and it will be connected here to the output terminal, and this will be going on to the charger pack or the load, whatever load is connected. And lastly we will be connecting this reset switch, which is having this 2 pin connector here where reset is written. Here we will be connecting this, and at the end this is the buzzer, which we will be connecting at this point where the buzzer is written. Here we will be connecting this buzzer. So here, as we can see, that all the connections in this BMS have been done, and how to connect the other parts of this wire, that will be showing soon. So in that battery we will be connecting this to the battery negative, total battery negative, and these wires, out of these wires, this red wire will be connected to the total battery positive, and this black wire will be connected to the total battery negative. These temperature sensor points will be connected to the various cells for reading the temperature of the cells. And here are the 17 wires will be connected to the all the battery cells individually. This black wire will be connected to the ground or the BC0 for the negative of the first cell, and the first wire to the first cell, then second wire to the second cell, going onwards. This will be given to the 15th cell, and the last red wire will be given to the highest cell, that is the 16th cell. So for connection of this communication wire, as you can see, there are 3 wires. One is black, the other one is yellow, middle one, and the last one is green. So for connection for this CAN communication, the black one will be connected to the ground, the yellow one will be connected to the low, and the green one will be connected to the high of the can tool. And the same wire can also be used for TTL communication. For this you have to plug in the same wire into this TTL connector, which is written here TTL. So when this wire is connected to the TTL, then the same wire, the communication the connection changes. This one, black one, will be connected to the ground connection. This yellow one will be connected to the RX, and this green one will be connected to the TX of the TTL tool. Please make sure to first of all connect all the wires to the battery points, then only plug into the BMS as per sequence described.